Welcome back to TesLUCKY, the YouTube channel where you can follow the adventures of Lucky the Tesla. Well, the adventures of Lucky the Tesla are going to be on hiatus for the next 4 to 6 weeks because unfortunately, just 5 days shy of our 4-year Teslaversary with Lucky, we have been involved in a car accident. And I say we, I mean me and Lucky were involved in a car accident. Thankfully, Carly was not in the car. And first and foremost, thankfully, I am okay. I am not injured. And that is, of course, the best news of all whenever there is a car accident. So I am feeling, like my t-shirt says, very, very lucky. And I'm going to show you some footage of Lucky's new boo-boo from the accident. But I also want to say that I now feel even safer in driving around in my Tesla Model X because it was a pretty significant impact, and I am just amazed at how well Lucky absorbed the impact from the other vehicle that struck us. So what happened was I was in a residential neighborhood and about to make a left turn when the other vehicle was going very fast and making a right turn and lost control of the vehicle and came out of their lane and into my lane, where they struck the driver's side door and then basically sideswiped the vehicle. And I'm just like, wow, really, that guy's bumper, the other vehicle, the other driver, the bumper of their car was like right on the other side of the door, and the door didn't cave in, and the airbag did not deploy. The airbag would not have helped me. This was not a thankfully it was not a head-on collision, and the airbag would have just done more harm than good based on the direction of the impact, and the airbag did not deploy. So all very, very good news, and it just makes me feel that this Tesla, and particularly this Model X, is just so well built and so sturdy. I feel really extra safe now riding in the vehicle. So anyway, this is our second car accident in Lucky. The first one was when we lived in Las Vegas and we had a minor fender bender, and that still caused us to lose the vehicle to the body shop for 4 weeks. And we did a series of videos on the repair process. We're going to do the same thing again, so that we're going to show you the estimate and how long it takes to get Lucky fixed and all the details with the rental car and everything. So we're starting a new series here. I guess this is Lucky's car accident 2023. We might as well call that the series. Hopefully the only car accident Lucky will have in 2023. I'm going to knock on the fake wood of my rental Model 3 because yes, look, I'm in a Tesla still. I was able to rent a Model 3 from the Avis at the Miami airport. So quick shout out to Alejandro, who did a great job getting me quickly at the register at the reservation counter yesterday. Got me quickly into my Model 3. This Model 3 is beautiful. Take a look at it, and it only had 510 miles on it, so it is brand new, and I feel so lucky to be having a Tesla rental car. That makes this car accident experience very different than our car accident experience from 2019, because then I was in a Ford Edge, and no disrespect to anybody who loves Ford or loves the Edge, but that vehicle is not for me. I felt like I was driving a barge. It felt so big and clunky to me, and I just missed autopilot so much. I missed vehicle hold so much. I missed the sound system in the Tesla, all of those things. And I do drive a lot for work, and so I'm very, very grateful that however long it takes to get Lucky fixed, that I'm going to be able to enjoy this brand new Model 3 and be able to use autopilot and be able to use vehicle hold. So thumbs up to that. Feeling very lucky. Welcome to our channel, Alejandro. We hope that you will subscribe and engage with us in the comments, because you were really, really cool. We're hoping that you'll join us for this adventure in Tesla ownership that we've got started here. So, okay, the last thing I want to mention is that when situations like this happen, hopefully not to you, but car accidents do happen, you don't take the vehicle to the Tesla service center, you take it to a Tesla approved collision center, aka body shop. And I found the Fort Lauderdale Collision Body Shop, which is in Oakland Park, Florida, on the Tesla.com website. They are Tesla certified, and let me tell you, my first impressions of Stephen and Mario and their business there are off the charts. I needed to drive Lucky up to Fort Lauderdale yesterday to drop her off. They're normally open only until 1, and Stephen was willing to stay late for me, to accommodate the fact that I couldn't quite get there by 1, but I could get there like within an hour of 1 o'clock. He waited for me to get the vehicle checked in, and they've already provided me with great consultation on the insurance process. I'm learning a lot from them, and I want to give a shout out to their business in Oakland Park, the Fort Lauderdale Collision. You're going to be seeing and hearing more about them with the repair process, of course. They have set my expectations for 4 to 6 weeks. That is, of course, based on the availability of parts. I don't have an estimate yet. Lots of details to follow in the videos to come, but we're in a good place following this unfortunate accident on Friday night. Again, feeling super, super lucky. One other detail on the rental car. With Avis, you rent a Tesla and the supercharging is free and included. That's where I am right now at the Big Pine Key Superchargers. I just charged up our new vehicle. We're calling her Rentor. And that was Carly's idea. Shout out to Carly for coming up with a great name for our Tesla rental car. So I am really happy also, compared to that experience in the Ford Edge from 4 years ago, 3 years ago, whatever that was, that I don't have to pump gas into a rental for the next 4 to 6 weeks. So free supercharging with the rental, and yeah, really happy and really good to go with all of these details of the last 48 hours. So be sure to click the bell for notifications if you want to see where this goes and follow this story on our channel. We will share all the details with you with full transparency on what happens in terms of the cost, in terms of the process, in terms of the repairs. So things happen, life happens, and we're going to learn from it. So I'm going to queue up at the end 2 videos for you, or 1 playlist of our car accident experience, and I'm also going to queue up the very first TesLUCKY video of the day that we adopted Lucky, so that you can see how we celebrated our first Teslaversary on the day that we got Lucky, which was March 28 of 2019. March 28 is also Carly's birthday. So happy birthday, Carly! Yay! 15, driving soon. Some people think that she should be driving Lucky on this channel. Maybe that'll be happening at some point in the next year. Again, thank you for being here. Stay tuned to TesLUCKY. Thanks for watching. Bye.